Hey everyone, so today we're gonna do a waterless, or I'm sorry, it is water, a rinseless car wash. All right, so what we're gonna use for my product is we're gonna use the Griots Garage, and this is the rinseless wash and wax. And I like this one because, like I said, the weather isn't the best outside, but with just a bucket of water, adding this a little bit into the water and getting a sponge, I can now wash the entire car. So I've already filled the bucket. I just use maybe a few ounces in here. Mix this around. And I hate the sponge because after you section this off, obviously the same rules apply for washing the car, top to bottom. Obviously you can see the car pretty clean up top, but down the bottom as you get lower, you see that the dirt is there. So applying to a dry car, all I do is just go ahead and just wipe. You know, rinse the sponge off occasionally, squeeze it out. Now, the instructions say one section at a time. You can definitely do that. I can do about half the car, on before I start to dry off. If you live somewhere where is dry, maybe you want to do a little bit, one section might be applied to you, but I can just do like the top half and come down to the bottom on the second half. Or, however you want to do it. You're not going to see any suds, you're not going to see any foam, anything like that. And the cool thing is there's wax built in to this, and it acts as a lubricant when you're doing this. Go down here, you can see the dirt right there. And just takes it right off, no problem. Let's do another one. Water's still clean. Just go across here. Door handles. When I'm doing this, I'm just constantly getting all the dirt out of the sponge. So when I do wipe across, I'm gonna have sort of a cleaner surface to go across here. Do the entire hood. If your car is ceramic coated, it'll make the process much easier. All right, so before this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm doing for the next half. Come in here, and I just use this plush drying towel. It's got microfiber, doesn't scratch or anything like that. It's pretty good, so I'm gonna fold it. And all you do is wipe across and you dry the surface. Doesn't have any streaks. Can't see, it's not even a scratch. All right, the car is dry, so now I'm gonna do the wheels. And you can use the same stuff for the wheels. I prefer to use a different sponge because of all the iron that's in the wheels. So the same process goes. Dip this in here. Just go ahead and just tackle these wheels. Brake dust, stuff just comes right off. No chemicals, like I said, and if you're ceramic coated, it's even easier for you. Try to make sure you get every crevice. And there you go, car's clean. You can see the wheels. Look how glossy they are. Same stuff. I mean, if this takes, you can probably do a whole car wash and dry probably in 30 minutes, give or take, depending on how detailed you want to be. But this, I think I really like the product. No scratches on the car. You can see up close. And it applies a layer of wax on top.